Hey guys,
Hey y'all.
we have something for you today,
Yep. We found a Stiggy.
which is our second sticky moloch.
Did we already have a Stiggy Moloch?
It's battle damage.
Okay. Yeah. Tried to find the regular Stiggy Moloch and there was one left.
Yes.
So we have the Stiggy Moloch.
And my mom went to the store today and got this.
This poor guy's just been sitting there this whole time.
Yeah.
Felt like we needed to add him.
Yeah.
Because you gotta have the big three, right? Well, I mean,
And if you would turn it around, right here is where you could collect 3 of them.
which,
The Allosaurus, the Baryonyx,
which one?
and
Which was that one?
I don't know.
I don't know. From looking at the game, it looks like either the Tarbosaurus or something like that.
Maybe.
I don't know. I don't think we've seen it in stores, have we? You want to open this one up first?
No.
What?
Smallest goes first.
You open that one up. I'll start on this one.
Okay. We'll open both.
Yep. Oh no! He doesn't have a tail!
We have to put it
Oh,
on.
he doesn't have a tail! He doesn't have a tail!
And Stiggy. She is out of the box.
Good old Stiggy Moloch. The pivoting head, the arms, the legs that move. Alright.
Well.
I guess that about does it.
Hey.
What?
Kittens.
Oh yeah. Cole had a awesome progress report. So he got a little something.
Yes. We activated him.
Yeah. Triceratops did not like that. Look at this big old box. Look at this
Wow.
big old box.
Something.
Oh. I was not expecting this. I thought I was getting one of these in the Pachycephalosaurus, but that's still, this is cool. I wasn't expecting this. Huh, let's take a look. We haven't got any of these, of this style, have we?
This is a different kind of size.
Yeah.
Why? I just saw an Owen on the back.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Yeah, there's an Owen in this range. Different types of... There's a Velociraptor and Velociraptor Blue.
I would like to see.
We got the Pachycephalosaurus. Huh. Was not,
Expecting this.
yeah, not a ton of articulation, but, nice dinosaur to put on a shelf, though. Huh. Cool.
Let's get into the...
But, I mean, he can still... He's just a giant. That's all.
Because
We'll
he's
just treat him as a giant.
Because this is the grown-up of him.
There we go. See? If we had a Dracoryx, we'd have a, what, even smaller one? Or is it in between?
It's small.
Smaller.
That's like the baby that you'll get out of the egg.
Yeah.
You'll get a...
Well, I'm sorry, buddy. I thought... When I ordered this thing, I could have sworn that it was this size.
Oh.
I got it off of Amazon, but, because it was nice and cheap.
Well,
But I think that's pretty cool.
what do we have now?
Oh, that's right. 2 boxes came in. I forgot about that. 2 boxes. Oh, don't forget, we got to scan these later into the app.
Yes. Yes, we do.
I mean,
Please don't be another time like that.
You don't like them?
Oh, yes.
You don't like them?
I just wasn't expecting them.
What do you expect is in here?
I don't know.
What do you think is in here?
Oh. Wow.
Oh, man.
This is just a Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom video.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Whoa!
Yay.
How cool is that? This is the Jurassic World Off-Road Rescue Rig.
How was that box? The lights are on.
Yeah, this is a good scale, right?
Yeah. This is our kind of scale.
Yeah, this works with
Stiggy!
Huh?
It works with Stiggy!
Oh, yeah. Oh, cool.
What?
It just powers down like that. Do 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 do. Are you excited to get this going?
Way down.
Is this something you want?
Yeah.
Because we have not seen this in stores at all.
No.
Uh-oh. Hello, tabs. Oh. Have to lift and turn. Lift and turn. Boom. Yeah. So this one has, of course, you hear the sounds? Working headlights.
Working trap.
Yep.
Opening.
Dinosaur trap. Dun, dun. Let me turn around. It gotta work good. It's kind of big.
Let's try Stiggy more.
Sticky.
Stiggy. Wait, Daddy.
Just put it over the top of him.
No, I know.
What you got?
I think I can.
Oh, his foot still.
Oh.
Okay. Here we go.
Let me. Yeah, like that.
It's not a good one.
Oh, we forgot a feature. Oh.
What feature? Oh,
Wait, no, we didn't.
that's cool. I like to show it off again anyway. What a cool bunch of toys. Spoiled, spoiled, spoiled. Where is the,
Look at him. He's bodiless.
But can he drive the truck?
Let me.
Got it? Dun-dun. Oh yeah. Owen's in the truck. This is the Owen that comes with the gyroscope, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Oh my goodness.
This is so very.
So if you have True Heroes or World Peacekeeper action figures, anything in the 3 3/4 inch scale, this is a good truck for them. Yeah. I would imagine you could probably fit a small, do you think you could fit a small vehicle back here? Maybe even I don't know. You could probably fit one of those bubble things from G.I. Joe, the Cobra bubble.
I was thinking of an ATV.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to see if you got one of the bad guys from Jurassic World over there? Since the tub is full. Ugh. Oh my goodness. So, what we can do, we can compare the... Oh my goodness. There's a Schleich T-Rex just... Oh my goodness. Oh, wait a minute. Cole, keep looking for something. These are the two Jurassic World Stiggy. Oh, well, you don't have to get all that out.
Oh.
Going on the... I don't know. This one is the battle damage one. This one is the regular one. This one kind of has a twisty back on him. It's kind of weird. Look, it's twisted. It's like he's... There you go. Guess what?
What?
There's one more thing. Ta-da! A baby T-Rex. See, we got the two. We got the mama and the daddy, and now we have a baby. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
This is part of the Jurassic World Legacy. What was that noise? The Jurassic World Legacy Collection.
They're really the Jurassic Park.
Yeah, this would have been from Jurassic Park, or
Because,
The Lost World.
Because, it is something.
Yeah, because in The Lost World, they got this little fella, and they worked on his leg. Because the bad guy had broken his leg in order to attract his mommy and daddy. Push the tail down. Oh, how cute! Mama. And he comes with a muzzle. My goodness, Cole, you have racked up today. What have you done?
Whoa, look!
All right.
Whoa!
Oh.
You can make it like he's trying to break out.
Okay. Okay. And you just push it. Oh. Ah!
Yeah.
And this would be about, what, raptor size?
Yeah.
How cool. Uh-oh. We're gonna have a pterosaur attack. Pteranodon. Yeah. How's this crap move?
Wait, oh. Wait, it's right here.
Oh, okay, I got it. Woo! My goodness, Cole. We are covered in dinosaurs. My goodness. Just imagine if Mattel could keep the store stocked with dinosaurs, how many we'd probably have. Because we're still on the lookout for the Suchomimus? Isn't that what it's called?
I don't know.
You don't know? What other ones have you seen reviews of that we don't have?
Well, there is one that we've seen.
What's that?
The super colossal T-Rex.
Oh, I've heard of him. That takes up a lot of shelf space.
Right there's the jaw action.
And that's the best way it can stand, right? Like that. Dimorphodon attack. Okay. We still need to get around to doing a video with the RC gyrosphere.
Yeah.
Yeah, we We haven't got around to that yet. Maybe when it cools off a little bit, we can do it outside. Is that the sound it makes?
I don't know.
In my world, that's the sound it makes. Alright, so, to recap, we got the Stiggy. we got a little bit of a surprise with the Pachycephalosaurus. What is the actual name of this size? Do you see that? Oh. So what are these called? Doesn't really say. It's very plain packaging. I don't know. I don't even know what scale this would be. He's muzzled. Oh my goodness. Where's the raptor at?
Raptor?
Oh, there's blue. Just to give you a size comparison between these two. Ugh. And you've got a Dilophosaurus. There's a Gallimimus.
Oh, Daddy, I tried to do a thing.
What?
Okay.
What you got? Alright.
They're after the Gallimimus.
To feed their baby. Hungry. Mama. Hungry. Kill it. Get it. I need meat. I need ribs. Daddy's gonna get it. Yeah. Oh. Gonna give me some neck meat. Gonna give me some neck bones. Alright, kiddo.
That about wraps it up.
Did you even enjoy this stuff?
Yes,
huh?
I enjoyed it.
What are you gonna do with it?
I really like it. I'm gonna play with it.
You gonna play with it?
Yeah.
Because I think this isn't quite big enough to put the sub in the back, is it? To act like you're transporting the sub.
Maybe if you didn't do that.
Yeah, if you kept them apart, you think the sub could be put back there?
Yeah.
Think so? What is that? What is? Oh, that's the muzzled baby T-Rex. Oh, its muzzle came off. We're out of here.
No.
Oh.
Wee.
Alright, that'll about wrap it up. We hope you enjoyed these toys. We sure enjoyed playing with them. And we will see you on the next one. Bye, YouTube.
Bye.
Bye. Later, y'all.
Bye.